So we're at Callie's Hot Little Biscuit, and it's a hot place. The line just died down.
It was kind of wrapping up the block, but I told Ben about it. Like, oh, I think we should maybe check this place out. Did not take me serious at all until we get here and he sees the line and smells the biscuits, and then all of a sudden was like, we should go there. Not like, oh, I remember you telling me about it.
But it is like a hole in the wall. We'll take a video
tiny.
from the other side of the street, but it is...
I think I'll have Ben take a picture of me in front of it too to show you how tiny.
Nothing going on. Super fun though. What do you think?
And you just spit biscuit on me. They're pretty good. I like the flavored ones, actually. Definitely Diet Busters, though.
So we're in Cannonboro, which is the up-and-coming part of town.
Feels, yeah. So this is like the trendy, cool place with the fun cafes that are somehow adorable and minimalist all at the same time, and somewhat we've heard is where a lot of the locals go. So it has a bunch of great restaurants up here, but they're a little bit off the tourist beaten path, which is nice. And there are some adorable clothing shops. I'm not sure how many I'm gonna tempt myself with today, but there are some super cute, trendy clothing little boutiques in here, and it's always fun to get out of the big name brand stores. So this is a great place to do it.
Where's Bill Murray's restaurant?
You're the Bill Murray stalker, you tell me.
I don't know, he owns part of the Mud Dogs though.
Which is the baseball team, the minor league baseball team. For $5 you can go do general admission.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are south of Broad right now.
South of Broad.
Which are all of the historic homes you think about here.
Yeah. It's we've just been wandering around, enjoying
the hustle and bustle.
Yeah, I mean, Carrera.
Echoes of my mind that grow weaker over time, and the words that fill my eyes, they wash out over these lines, they wash over my skin.
The homes are to die for. It's spring, so it's flowering.
Okay, definitely visit Charleston in the springtime. 1st of April. Aim for the 1st of April. The trees are flowering, it smells amazing, and there's petals like blowing across the streets, and it's perfect. The window boxes are overflowing, and it's so they called Charleston, and I might misquote this slightly, but you'll get the gist. the city built in a garden. And they don't really have lawns. They all have these amazing, lush gardens, whether it's teeny tiny and it's just lining alleyways, or a huge piece of property.
So many people in this room. So many people I don't know who. Oh, so many people I just fall into the blue. Fall into the blue. I'll fall into the blue. I fall into you. So hold me in your eyes.
They're incredibly lush, which makes, again, springtime the perfect time to be here because it's all just coming back to life. A lot of them
have plaques.
south of Broad have plaques. And so you can read about, you know, like, should we pop across and show them this one? Because this is a good example.
Yeah.
We'll show you this beautiful piece of property here. So you just start peeking, like, up alleys and around fences and things, and the city just, like, opens up. It's amazing. So we'll show you this too, because I think it's spectacular. Okay, so see all of these 2 rows of balconies up here. And if you walk to this side, right here, there's the front door. And it opens to these balconies, which is so cool. And then if you take a few more steps, are the plaques. It was granted by the Lord Proprietors in 1694. It remains one of the largest residential lots in the city. How about that? The earlier dwelling was constructed 1716. It's really cool. It really helps us. Being from the West Coast, it's so fun to marvel at the age and the history. You know, these things are pre-Revolutionary War in some cases, and we walked by a house a minute ago that was the last governor of Charleston under English rule before the Revolutionary War. That's where he lived, and he fled, and that was the end of royal rule. And it's just so cool to be able to marvel in all of that.
Oh, tear it all out now. I'll tear my hair out now and throw it into the blue, into the blue. I'll throw it into the blue. I'll throw it to you. Darling, you figured it out. When I exhale out, oh, I exhale out, oh, panic in a crowd and all the faces around me. I can't speak loud enough, so Godspeed now, my love. All the delusions in my head make up the space between the sheets in my bed. Oh, I'm drowning in the space between the sheets in my bed. Oh, I'll drown in the blue, I'll drown in the blue, I'll drown in the blue, I'll drown in you, I'll drown in the blue, I'll drown in the blue, I will drown in you.
So it's Friday, the 6th of April, and we're going to Augusta, Georgia from Charleston today. And we just realized that as we're about to get on the freeway, look at that sign right there. It says I-26
West.
We're headed back west. We have not been headed west in a long time. We're also eating breakfast in the car.
I'm driving with my knee.
Don't worry.
Nope, the trailer will steer us.
Yeah.
Rosie's back there. She's got it.
That's what you get when you're almost a year in doing this. Driving with the knee. But yeah, we just thought we'd share because it's kind of a fun moment. We were headed east for so long and headed back west. West, we're coming for you.
Headed out west to the land of the old.
Ignore him. his blood sugar got too low.
Yeah.
There it is, West. What do you think, Key? West.
West.
She's just eating my breakfast while I'm filming.
Next up, we take you to Augusta, Georgia in the Masters, where we interview our nephew.
The Masters.
That's him, and his first time going to the Masters for his 11th birthday. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at The Accidental Travelers. Thanks, guys.